Okay, so if we dig into Instagram and we search for PLR, these are some of the sites that are being shown. This is a profile. This is all PLR. They're selling private label rights, meaning you can turn around and resell. And this profile is doing it very successfully. And if we go in and look for other people selling PLR and MRR. MRR is master resale rights, which is what you'll see in the second page of this. There are a lot of people selling products, and what that means is that you can turn around, you can edit these products and resell them like you made them yourself. Here's another one, another account that I follow that is very successful. And again, I can't guarantee you any income, but this is what the chatter is on Instagram, 30,000 per month. She also does a lot of short form and long form videos on YouTube, but she sells PLR. She has a PLR shop. Okay, and go back. And you know, late at night when I'm laughing at the funny memes, because I search for make money products, this is what the algorithm in Instagram is showing me. All these people who are having success with digital products. And there are lots of accounts that like Canva hacks. People love Canva. And they love learning how to sell digital products. So let's go back in. Let me put this up a little bit, and we're going to search for digital products. So I'm telling Instagram, oops, didn't realize my camera was off, that you know, I'm interested in digital products. So if we go here, a lot of people will sell just like Canva templates, and they sell them in a stand store in their link. Canva templates free. And so the going thing is, you know, the link in the bio is usually a stand store on Instagram, because it's like the recognized type of store that most people are using that are in Instagram. So if I go here, oops, okay, and we are, oops, okay, let's see, go back here and see stand store right here. And then they list their products for sale here. This is the going thing on Instagram. Okay, so if you had a product like the one that I'm selling, which is this one, how to create and sell digital products, and it's in Canva, where you can go in and you can actually change it any way you like, or you can use the covers. Let's see, there's another one right here. This one, this is the link you'll get. You can pick a cover and just delete the rest. And then you can go in and actually read this ebook about how to create and sell digital products. It's really, really good. These are just cover choices that you can use. You just need one. And then you'll see the table of contents. You can go in here and you can edit it, or you can keep it like it is, but you have to change the cover. See, it says researching your niche, creating your product, marketing and launch, resources, stay connected, the terms of this ebook, what's allowed, what is not allowed, boom. So you'll get a link, and all you have to do is just download it, change it a little bit, go up here to the share button and download it as a standard PDF. You want to be sure right here, PDF standard. You can also put your affiliate links in here, You can link out, just put this is my affiliate link, you know, to Stan Store or anything else that you like, and it will help, you know, increase your profits. So I hope that helps. I'll talk to you soon.